Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you 3 useful steps on how to fix search bar which is not working in your computer. Okay, let's start. First is you need to press Windows and R key together to open run, and after that, this window will appear. Just type services.msc. Okay, then click on OK. After that, a new window will appear called Services. Here you need to search for Windows Search. Just click anywhere and then type W, and then scroll down to search Windows Search. Here, just have to do a right click and then click on Start. But let's say, for example, it is completely grayed out, then go to Restart. And the moment you click on Restart, just have to restart your machine. And once you open it, just check if your search bar is working. But let's say if it doesn't, then let's go to the second step, which is to go for settings. Here you need to make sure that your machine is in up to date because there are some cases that once they update their computer, then issues like search bar not working will be fixed. Okay? This will take just 5 to 10 minutes, probably. Okay. So let's say if it doesn't work, then let's proceed to the third and important step, which is to right click here and then go for Task Manager. And once you open your Task Manager, just simply expand it. And here under the background processes, just click anywhere and then type S. And since our search bar is the main issue here, just click here and do a right click and go to End Tasks to restart. And once you click on End Task, just simply restart your computer and see if it's working again. Okay? So those are the 3 useful steps that you can do in your computer to fix the search bar which is not working. So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.